Dear students, viewers and honorable guardians, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am Muhammad Shahadat Hussain, your English teacher. You are invited to my online class organized by Waruk Rahmani High School, Waruk, Shahrasti, Chatpur. Now I am going to take a class on completing sentence. This class is suitable for class 9 and 10. Dear students, take your paper and you should write down the rules of completing sentence. At first rules as if, as though. Notice here, as if, as though. Main clause, as if or as though, plus perhaps or imaginary clause. Example, I feel as if. Here, this part, I feel as if, here this part is called sentence part. And this part you will find in your question paper. Here, I feel as if. And next, perhaps or imaginary clause, I feel as if I am dying. I feel as if I am dying. You can try it and you can make another sentence like I feel as if I am writing or I am doing. Example, noun 2, you look as if. You look as if you know or knew everything. Dear students, if our sentence part is present tense, we can use the next part in present indefinite or past indefinite. Rule 2, it is high time. It is high time. It is high time plus main clause in the past. It is high time plus main clause in the past. Example, it is high time we took the decision. It is high time we took the decision. You can make another sentence. It is high time we did the work. We wrote a letter. We played our match. Dear students, rule 3, if plus conditional clause in the present plus main clause future or present. Notice here, if plus conditional clause in the present plus main clause future or present. Example, if you come, I shall go. And next, if I help him, he will grateful to me. Dear students, here, notice here you have to, in conditional sentence, you have to use a comma. You have to use a comma between two parts. And number 4, if plus conditional in the first, main clause future in the first. If plus conditional in the past and main clause future in the past. Here we can mention example, if you came. Here this word verb came, it is past form of come. So we can see that if you came, this sentence part is first. And next I have to turn it in future in first. Future in the first. Subject plus shall vowel plus verb present form. But I have to use future in first. That means shall. Its past form should. its past form should. I should go. If you did the work, next example, if you did the work, here another sentence part did, its present form do. So this sentence parts contain first form of verb, so it is first clause, first form. I would pay money. If you did the work, I would pay money. And next, dear students, rule 5, if plus conditional in the perfect, main clause future in the perfect. Notice, if plus conditional in the perfect, main clause future in the perfect. If you had done the work, here the sentence part had done, it is perfect. If you had done the work, I should have paid money. I should have made money. That means future perfect. The structure, I should have paid money. Dear students, rule 6, no sooner had. Notice here, no sooner had plus action clause and next then and reaction clause. Example, no sooner had I gone out than he came in. Action clause, and next then reaction clause. No sooner had I gone out than he came in. That means if our sentence part take no sooner had, we have to the next part or next clause in past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, same scarcely had. If our sentence parts take scarcely had, we have to use when. And at first they reached the station. Here scarcely had, they reached the station. It is action clause. And when the train left, it is reaction clause. Reaction clause. Scarcely had they reached the station when the train left. Scarcely had. If a sentence contains scarcely had, we have to use when. And next, the same, hardly had we reached the college when the exam began. Follow hardly had, we have to here, hardly had is present, so we have to use when. And the next part is past indefinite. The next part is past indefinite. The next clause is past indefinite and present part. First part is past perfect. Dear students, you will memorize the rules and you will practice more and more, and you will make more and more sentence with following these rules or with using these rules. You should avail this time, since you cannot come in the school. So you should avail this time. Stay home, stay safe. I am going to end my class. Allah Hafiz.